I'm at. Yeah.
Lines.
Good morning, boys and girls. Did I sound like Aaron on that one? I got the gang with me. Sam, Aaron, Jess, Josh. We're heading out. Today's our first day on the new river. We just launched at Cooley's Landing. Literally never been here before. Never driven a boat on the new river through Fort Lauderdale. So we're gonna bring you guys with us. Show you what to do and probably what not to do. So should be an interesting one.
Thanks, Brian.
Oh, nobody drove under me.
Sam, you look so small next to that giant boat.
Something you don't see too often, a Trump sign on a sailboat. Okay, rib. I feel like we're back in San Diego. It's all of 68 degrees. What do they call this place?
Super yacht village. What's our place?
Tiki Tiki's? Dania Beach Boulevard Bridge.
Look at you, just roll up here, park your boat, go get some lunch. Sounds good to me.
All right, Aaron, what did you think?
10 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, get in the cute chair. Give me a pose. All right.
Thumbnail.
Ah! Perfect. We're going to check in at the hostess stand.
Off to Margaritaville.
So we just, we have a 20-minute wait at Le Tub. Is that the name of the place?
Le Tub.
Le Tub. So we're going over here to use the bathroom because there was like a 30-minute wait to use the bathroom at Le Tub. The chancla. Go stand by the chancla for size. Feels like we were here yesterday, doesn't it? The chancla.
To scale.
To scale. All right, bathroom. Bad boys, bad boys. It's going down.
That would be so fun.
Florida State. This guy's coming in the dock. Fender down, fender down. Oh, wow. Look at the thickness of that patty.
This is the Oprah Winfrey burger.
It is?
She came here in 2006 and said it was the best burger in the United States.
It's as thick as Oprah Winfrey, that's for damn sure.
Sam.
Hit me. Oh, baby.
ASMR.
All right, Aaron, let's see it.
Everybody knows the rules.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. Let's see it. Pressure's on.
I'm gonna screw this up. You know I'm a messy eater.
Hazel,
Gives Hodad's a run for his money.
really? Hope it doesn't make me feel like Hodad's. One of my personal favorites right here. That was a good selfie shot. The Grand Banks. I believe that's the 60 with the light gray hull. That's a sick boat. It has the like carbon fiber fly bridge.
Shout out to our boy,
Shout out to the other Sam.
Sam Wiseman.
Sam
We love you.
Wiseman.
Mwah.
We love and miss you, dude. That is a sexy Grand Banks right there. I'll take two. We found Murphy's boyfriend.
All right, we've landed in the Hollywood boat graveyard. I'm gonna take you up closer, but you can see just in this shot, there's like 4 sunken boats. It's crazy. What do you think, Josh? Will you drive for us? No bid. A minor transfer. Here's some San Diego prices.
Guys, we just had a great lunch. Josh got to check out his boat that sank somehow. We were kind of curious about that. And we're heading to the next place. Where are we going next? Tiki. A little tiki bar just up here about a mile.
Hopefully there's room for us.
Fingers crossed. It was
On the way in, it was packed.
It was packed, so. All right, Josh is just doing a little prop check in the back for us, and we're on our way. Give me a smile, babe.
Do you have your tape measure out to measure my 15-inch wake? Not funny.
Yeah, let's put a baby in the corner.
These for me.
58%. Alright, honest reviews only, one bite, everybody knows the rules.
10 out of 10. I feel like I'm back in the heat.
America, fuck yeah. Too shallow, backing up.
Headed to a Jewish bakery near you.
Filming and driving. Just like that. Keep coming. Stop, he's good there. Beautiful end to a beautiful day. Back in the jungle.
That's what I dreamt about when we were like, we're gonna move from California and go to Florida, and everyone's like, you're crazy. I'm like, I am crazy, but check this out.
Sheesh.
Sheesh, look at this now.
The side of the boat day that nobody sees.